Early morning levels without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and seminar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning, Lions. How we doing? Yeah. 2 letters, 1 word. The meaning of life. Good morning, Lions. How we doing? 1 word. 2 letters, 1 word. Yeah. I know we got echo, sorry. Let's go. How we doing? Happy Tuesday. Extreme Maple. Yeah, he's been back, brother. How we doing? How we doing? Good morning. Magus. There we go. I'm just trying to emulate. Magus, how you doing, Maestro? Yeah, thanks. Is it still echo? It should be okay. I hope. Albert, yeah, thanks, brother. Yeah, I've been working on it. It's been a long 9 months. No, I am not Kimba. I am Mandalo. Good morning. Yeah, just one of the streamers on KTV. Yeah, Kimba's on his trading streams on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and very active in the Discord. Exclamation Discord. But he has entrusted some of the community to come on and share their thoughts with you, vibe out. We got all kinds of shows going on. Exclamation Dashboard for the full schedule of programming each week, as well as links to all the Gucci exchanges. And make sure you get your UIDs updated up in there, because giveaways have resumed. Let's go. Sophia, good morning. How are you doing? I'm doing well. Thank you. Hope everybody that celebrates had a nice Easter. Let's go, Ace. 30 months. You got a new badge. Let's go. Thank you for the resub. Congratulations. He juiced. Adrian. Thanks, Maestro. Skip Moha. We all Kimba's. Yeah. That's right. Bergex. Let's go, Bergie. How we doing? Shout out to PSG. Stand up. Let's go, Prabai. Good morning. Thank you for the resub. 14 months. Let's get it. Bergie. Sky. Where is the real Kimba? He is in Discord. MEXC Powers, let's go. 23 months. Thank you for the resub. Oh, one more and you get the new badge. Let's get it. Oh, juice, 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 juice. Late nights, early mornings, eyes on the goal. Every single trade was a test. Almost got that single print. Yeah, the tick size makes it look like we got it. Almost. All I do is win, never fall, stay strong. Kimba game beside me, we've been grinding all along. I'm strong if you're strong. I'm strong if you're strong. 10,000 hours deep. Dude, there's some crazy stuff going on, isn't there, Skip Moha? I'm Mandalo, Sky. I've been here for almost 4 years. Big part of the Discord community. Just one of the lions. Yeah, I was making some videos for the lions for a couple years almost. And, you know, vibing out, nerding out in PSG for a long time. And I got the opportunity to share some thoughts with y'all. So I'm blessed. They wicked you out. Oh, Kachoya, Shredded Island. Oh, and it's bad lows. Quit playing with me. I know, Maestro, only 4 years. You've been here almost, what, almost 2 years now? I thought it was longer than that. The music's a bit loud? Really? Okay. My mic's a bit low, I guess. It came in hot. I think I turned the music up when we were on multi. Is that any better? Coming in hot. I'm gonna shoot my shot, Buzzo. How we doing? Good morning, Buzz. Shout out, Buzz. Inky got filled while they were sleeping. Let's go. Oh, no blinds. No blinds unless you're following your plan, right? Let's go. That's nice. Can't lose, can't lose. Shout out to CoinWise, still have the deal going on. Let's check out the levels real fast. Jay Becker, good morning. Fredward. Fat Pony, shout out to you, good morning. Good morning, Fat Pony. Who juicing? Who juicing? I'm strong if you strong. Your vote is louder music. Yeah, most people don't want to hear me. Let's get the TAs done and we can vibe out. You want the true nerd out music? Back in the day. I do like this song though. This song is vibes. Let's go, Fredward. How we doing? Alper, I see you. Skip Moha wants to vibe too. All right, let's do this. Let's do the, yeah, let's go, Fredward. This song is vibes. It's actually entitled It's a Vibe. So you know I can't skip this one. Okay, I'm gonna get the CoinWise opened up. Oh wait. Yeah, looking forward to see this Boot Gammas in a little bit. Exclamation YouTube. We doing? I see you, Fredward. Yeah, about the same. But we're warriors. Profito in my head. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, we're just gonna chill. We're just gonna chill with some music. Yeah, we haven't had these ones in a while. And I have like 3 hours of other like chill music if it comes down to it, but I think that we can vibe out after this. You just spilt your coffee? Oh, cachoya. It's too bad it's not McDonald's. You remember back in the day that lady like poured coffee on her lap and got like a multi-million-dollar lawsuit for it? Let's go, Joel. Let's go, Crypto Craze. Good morning. Yeah. Yeah, I see you, Inky. Probably ladders. Gamba with the plan. That's right. Okay, let's get our levels up. Okay. Get that thing. So we're looking at value area high, 70,063 dollar bucks, and point of control 69,788. Value area low. We accept inside 69,355. Things will be looking better for a rotation. We tried for a weekly rotation and almost got there. Yeah, and there's your weekly. Previous week value area low, value area high, 68,169. We're outside of value on the weekly. We tried to get in there, but couldn't quite do it. Yeah, but it's a cool place for a failed auction if you're bullish. Yeah, it could be more bullish, but you know, there is headwinds. Let's see if that one opens. I'm gonna go back to it. Yeah, you got a little bit of longs TPing at the highs, but this is bananas. Okay, I'll tinker with this in the background. Let's get those levels marked. Let's see, value area low, 69,355. There you go. It's a congested area of levels, isn't it? Congested. Wait a minute. That's PDEQ. I'm rewarded. 70,063. I even said that. Okay. Where the... That's for yesterday? Am I looking at the right thing? April 7th? Yeah. That was pretty cool yesterday. I'm a little bit surprised I didn't get that whole single print after pushing up there for basically 3 drives. Not really that clean of a 3 drive, but it was nice. You get the cleaner. And then failed auction, losing the value area high. Got naked point of control above. Trading a little into the single print. That's previous week value area high right here. Not one single close inside. Bad lows. Single print hold. You need to change structure for this to be in the back of your mind. First step is to reclaim VWAP and point of control. PDPOC, it should be around there. 69,788. Actually, this could be a little higher. What happened with this? Because I updated it this morning, roughly before. Yeah, it's kind of interesting up here. If it cleans this local and session bad high. Yeah, but they like really slammed it down pretty nicely. Yeah, we'll look at a little higher time frame structure as well. We're just ranging. We're just ranging. We got minutes coming out tomorrow and CPI on Friday. Again, I'm getting tired of these CPI Fridays. I'm trying to be coming on with y'all. But hey, it'll be juice for KIMBA stream. Yeah, a lot of those loans got stopped out on that drop. And they were holding. I mean, look at this. But you know, it was a 3-day weekend. Hope everybody had a good weekend. 3-day weekend for TRADFI. I didn't mark the value area low. It was 169. Wait, what? $69,355. Yeah, it was interesting. Right before the open we lost value and then come up and like approach it. PDEQ, value area low, that and weekly VWAP, that has a lot of interest if we make it up here for potentially being quite a bit of resistance. You also have this as being structural resistance. So you have multiple levels of confluence. It did grab that TPOC though, that naked TPOC. Based on what is this daily level? This is based on the CoinWise indicators. Exclamation CoinWise, they have a Easter-wise deal going on right now. And daily levels. There's a lot of juice coming from CoinWise, I'll tell you that. But the indicators that you're seeing on the chart, yeah, so we kind of like just use the levels. This is going to be resistance up here if we make it. This is interesting, a sweep of this. And then PDEQ, we have previous week VWAP right here. These are CoinWise levels, indicator, and then I have manually input a few of the previous levels. So this is previous week value area high right here. Through the weekend, we held previous month value area low, and that became previous week value area low. Failed auction, not the greatest lows, but you had that little wick right there. And you know, that seemed like a good move over the weekend. We were like, oh, okay. Look at that little sweep. Oh, that's the short. That's a short. Oh, Kachoya. Yeah, hell VWAP. Yeah. And then it was juice off of the open, right? Or into the open. Yeah, I don't know if it started. Yeah, let me get it, Crispy. Good morning. How are you doing? Yeah, I was a little tied up with the holiday and didn't make it in. I like opened it up for a minute on Sunday, futures resumption with Cage and Houston. And I don't even think Buzz was there, or his camera wasn't on. But I couldn't stick around. Did it start pumping while Cage was still on? I mean, I guess I could find out. But that was cool. It was like the first 30 minutes looked like not that great. And then it juiced. You know how like bipolar everything is, especially when we have the orange man with a Twitter account, a truth account. Yep, predictions are up. Predictions are up. Kozar, good morning. How we doing? Shout out to YouTube. Let's go Kimba Gang always. Shout outs to you. Welcome to Lion King, YG Liang. Hey, make sure you get over into the Wise Lions in the Discord. Let's go. Shout out Stream Elements. Shout outs to Kimba AI. Never trust the weekend pumps. Yeah, I know. I know. Almost never. It is unusual for that to hold, but sometimes. Yeah, it's almost back to kind of equilibrium. Single print fill is interesting if it continues to pull back. We have value down here. We have naked pointing controls, previous week pointing control. All of that, like these lows are not good at all. This is okay. This is a good low. And we had a clean through here, and that was Thursday, I believe. Yeah, it was Thursday, like right off of the open. We were live on this. That was a nice little trade, wasn't it? Yeah, go back and watch. We were talking about this being a good low, even though it wasn't on CME, and maybe looking at a clean of this as a swing fail. It ended up being pretty good. So shout outs to the longers. Yeah, pullback. We got value through here. It's about to get busy. Yeah. Somewhere around the mid 67s to the high 66s could be an interesting area if it really pulls back for a bounce. You got volume, you have structure. Somewhere around here would be nice. Previous week VWAP. A lot of support if the single print is lost or grabbed. Yeah, let's go back over to CME. We got about 7 minutes for the open. And then we'll start getting the tunes rolling. Let's go, Mr. Larry's. Happy Tuesday. Sophia, Jazzy, yeah. Yeah, this is the old school nerd out music. 66.4 max. Yeah. That's pretty much like the area that you would maybe look at for like stopping a lot of longs out. You don't have that much longs in. You get a lot more liquidity down here below the 65. Yeah, below this level. That was a clean. That was pretty nice, but it didn't do it on market open. So you still have a little bit of gap. Talent show later today. And I gotta see this. I gotta see this schedule. Exclamation dashboard. The Queenie's got talent. 2 p.m. New York time. So a few hours after I get off. Who Juice and Premiere tomorrow. Kimba live trading. Right at market open. And then we got market open and LaQueenie's got talent on Thursday as well. Lots of things going on. Easter Wise deal for CoinWise going on through the weekend. That's juice. Culture, good morning. How you doing? Nasty 400K on red. Ooh, we skip Moha. You like those prediction points, don't you? I used to really, really enjoy them. Yeah, I'd seen some other streams doing it, and I had so much fun doing it that, like, when I became a mod and figured out how to run the predictions, I was all about doing them. Yeah, it seemed like people really liked it. Place your bets. There you go. Yeah, what it's a crazy thing though, Twitch, like it's not connected to like winning anything. In theory, it's supposed to at some point they can convert into something. I don't think that's the top priority for Kimba right now, to make a way for your prediction points to convert to stuff. He's got like fucking crypto exchanges in development and all kinds of other amazing things. But it's been discussed, and in any case, it is a cool thing to do. It's fun. It's fun. Yeah, I had a lot of points when I first started doing them, just from watching, being a viewer, and then I gambled them all away and then like whittled them back. Just kept chipping them back. So it's all about your risk management on these things. You have like 200,000 points and go all in on all of them, you get wrecked. Excuse me. Yeah, 30% win ratio, you can definitely do it. Yeah, practice your trading right there. You should be doing like little practice activities. Even if you're trading live, you should be doing like super small positions, and just to practice with different strategies, improve your edge, improve your execution. Not so small that you don't care, or so small that you don't care. So small enough that it doesn't bother you if you don't take a win, but big enough that you will pay attention to it. Even if it's like a couple of dollars, it's nice to juice up on that trade and just switch it to P&L mode, like percentage. That's what gets the clout anyway. 50-cent position on 100x. Like, don't do that. It's a good way to lose 50 cents. Hey, best way to double your money is take your dollar bill, fold it in half, and put it back in your pocket. Good morning, Indoline. You got some wisdom for me all of a sudden. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's go. 1 minute. I adjust my clocks. Hey, everybody is on the same daylight savings time if your country does it, right? Is anybody still waiting on daylight savings time? Let's go, mans. How are we doing? Yeah, see all the lines fucking everywhere, right? There's a lot. Weekly open. That's all cool and everything. Here we go. Here we go. We gapped up hard. We're gonna open in the gap somewhere. Maybe just below. That could be a resistance level. That's a good high on CME right there. Yeah, again, a little bit surprising about the single print on spot and futures. And for CME, the gap here. Meanwhile, S&P is just consolidating right at that resistance level, the 6660. Gap down, nice. Yeah, and there shouldn't be much of anything on S&P. Baby gap. It's already 50% filled. On On RTH, that's not that bad, but you have all these highs right here that are unclean too. Yeah, I'll pull it over to index really fast. Yeah, that's even worse on index, but gap down. And we have a lot of news going on. Plus we have a lot of data coming out this week. Is today gonna be a de-risk day? Yeah, last year on the True Open, we had a lot of volatility, but we were dumping, and then it rebounded. This time we kind of priced that in. We pumped for the past couple days. Is it going to pull back and rebalance? Wait and see. Whole lot of data coming out this week. Minutes, I mean, we already know all that, but it's just something the markets are watching anyways. FOMC minutes tomorrow afternoon. Help me, S&P. Let's get the other playlist going. Any questions? You guys good to vibe out a little bit? Ding, ding, ding. Let's go, culture. S and poo-poo. Yeah, they're just trying to clean some lows, I think. Those lows aren't great. Yeah, that was a nice little clean right here, but there's still this one. Holding monthly VWAP thus far, it's okay in PDEQ. Downside targets, potentially like the 65.50 if we lose all this. Somewhere in this zone, you have fibs on your side as well. Shoutouts to BTCC and the fee rebates. Yeah, look at that. Perfect Kimba box right in that level. And that's the 618 to the 786. Pretty nice. This is marked out from before we nuked all the way to 6,200 or whatever, 6,300. So you have that level to hold all of this consolidation. That's interesting. And then if it's lost somewhere in the 64s, higher time frame, I don't know. There's a world of possibilities. This is no good up here. The 6,700, 6,720. We've already tested it though. So grind up. If we turn this into support, really like the high 66s, maybe previous month VWAP, then we can maybe make a push higher. But until then, this is looking like a bearish retest still. Yeah, we need some help. We need some help from news. We need some help from something. S&P, help me. Nitrogen, let's go. Jon Snow. Alper. Alper dot is something that I don't know how long you've been around this community, but Dot has been a long time watch. You were subbed a long time ago, huh? When was the last time you were in the stream? In 23? Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, DOT is not looking that great right now, but we could get a little pump on Bitcoin and pull alts up too. Kind of the time for that was like last week, but yeah, why? Why is it like a is it like a deal they have going on or something? Are they gonna get adopted by like Staples? That just needs a rebranding. They could get a Dalmatian as their logo, like Dogecoin, and then maybe they'll get adopted or picked up by like Firehouse Subs and stuff. I'm like going like, oh, in a Telegram channel. Yeah, it's possible. I mean, they have accumulation, but I don't know, man. If they have a lot of followers in there, like that could be part of the interest. They're just trying to pump their own bags. You gotta, I'd like to see like what the data is regarding that. I'm not joining their Telegram, but I would be interested what type of rationale they have to substantiate that. Dude, wasn't it Fredward? Let's go. I'm full of useless ideas. Alper was here for a long time, several years ago, Skip Moha. But yeah. Fred, there were a couple that I found with X, and they had like actual streams and stuff as well, and not too bad. Some of them even shared some like pretty decent resources, like nerd out resources, but it's pretty hard to find that. A lot of it is like, hey, you know, based on this and that, I was right, you should keep following. Or join our paid Discord. Yeah, you got to think about what they get out of it. Is this dip the tip? It is cool when you find the ones, the people out there that, you know, they will share their thoughts, whatever the reason, and you can learn from it. It's not so much like the setups that you're getting. And you should realize that. When you understand, that's the real juice. And that's just a carrot for these people, but it's you know, it's amazing when you can you know, continue to improve yourself. But shout out to CoinWise. They have some pretty amazing ways to improve. They got a new video just dropped. What one was that? What one was that? It's pretty funny that I have some influence on the video production, and I can't even say which video just got posted. There's so many of them. It's so juiced, dude. Okay, back. I'm trying to find it. It is so juice. Did I already get to the end of the playlist? We're gonna vibe out in 1 second. I'm gonna find out what this video is. There is some insane juice coming from them though. Oh, trading sessions. Duh. Duh. Market trading sessions. I should have just gone in their Discord. I bet they have a post about it. Shoutouts to CoinWise. Hey, shoutouts to the entire team at KTV and over at CoinWise. Yeah, big cheers. There we go. Cachoya no diabito, how we doing? Let's get it. Yeah, dip the tip maybe. KCEX slipped down to 70, 67, 716. But 715 is all the trading view would allow. We're wrecked. Let's go Tigran. Yeah. Yeah, but back in historical, in our panel, we can see that he was following back in 2023, about 3 years ago. Alper, you want to know what your last post was in here? I don't know if you can see it. SEC spot ETF decision will pump or dump hard. That's the fact. That's alpha. Let's go, Alper. Let's go. Welcome back, dude. Back when we were like getting all excited about the ETFs. Yeah, they pumped it for us, and then they dumped it on us. Yeah. It's awesome you're back. That's great. I hope you enjoy. Ask any questions. You know we're all just grinding here, trying to improve. I'm just trying to get a motherfucking scholarship. Shout out to Red. If you know, you know. I know Fredward knows. Gotta have like the insane music. Insane movie references, right? Let's go, Jask here. Yeah, I said I was gonna get some hype music on. Yeah, my energy is definitely different from Kimba, isn't it, Alper? The Breakfast Club, let's go. Oh, dude. Well, Breakfast Club is good, but I'm talking about Pineapple Express. Yo, let's go, Fredward. And that's a good movie. That's a really good movie. If my taste in movies turns you off to the stream, well, I apologize. Ask questions. We'll find some things to nerd out on. I think we're gonna do an order flow stream on Thursday. Little thing. Yeah, I kind of expected a little more volatility today with the open, but I think I was more energetic in the past, probably. Kimba was for sure. I was more enthusiastic, maybe. I'm tired, boss. Dude, I mean, Kimba's doing it. He's been doing it for long. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Yeah, well, I mean, you're used to seeing this the whole time, right? Or the lion. Did you get the back cam? Did you get it? How'd it look? How'd the back of my hoodie look? I think so too, Fredward. I think so too. Yeah, it'll be interesting tomorrow, and then all the data. Yeah, it's it's not exactly the biggest risk on environment right now. Thanks, Alper. Let's go. Yeah, well, I'm only 29, and this is what crypto did to me. You see those like pictures of fucking, oh, I got something for you. And shout out to CoinWise people. Let me see if I can get it on here. Oh my God. I gotta get this on here. Yeah. I gotta add this source real fast, but it's pretty funny. This is another one Fred will definitely know, and probably a lot of you will. This shit's funny. Yeah, I'm not allowed to use soundboards. I'm not allowed to. But you know what I am allowed to do? Shout out to CoinWise for hooking it up. This thing is so fucking stupid. Oh, I started trading crypto. Fucking. I'm only 29. I started it in 2020. And it feels like it's been 84 years ago. 84 years, we're waiting for 150K. Houston, much love, dude. I'm just trying to have some fun. You're trying to treat your life. I can't hit the high notes. I'm too old for that. Dude, I just heard that through my other headset, like far as fuck away. Let's go. Let's go, Inky. Fredward, I had to give you some laughs this morning. I missed you last week, brother. We had fun. I don't know if you caught any of it on replay or something. Thanks, brother. Thank you, Housty. And I'll take it from like the music whiz over here. He's the one that's cooking up a whole lot of juice for us. And he said that's a solid high note. I'll take it. I'll take it. Yeah, I feel you, brother. Hope all is well. Let's go, Curvies. Good morning. How you doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Dude, Housty, one of these days I'm going to share this with you. But I got something that's like epic for our mixtapes selling out of trunks. Yeah. I'll share it with the Lions at some point, but I would share it with you maybe today. It's juice. Ben lurking curvies, I feel you. I feel you. Okay, so Alper wants to see some DOT. Does anybody else want to see DOT? I don't really want to go through like a whole bunch of shit coins because this is just like we're ranging and waiting. Yeah, we're really waiting to either reclaim. And like 6,800, I think that'll pull Bitcoin up to like the 75 area. You got to make it up there though. Yeah, if we turn this into support, that opens the door for like all of these bad highs. It's almost like a reclaim, but not quite. There's a nice little failed auction down here. It's not the greatest lows, but you know, it is what it is. And then if you go on RTH, it's a completely different picture. We got a nested gap here, gap in the gap. Gapception. We go with the more current one first, and then we'll prioritize the historical ones. So there's a little bit of juice for you if you didn't know about that. Keep it rolling. Shout out to CoinWise for learning me up good on all that stuff. The Gappinin'. That's right. Let's go, Buzz. Let's go, Housty. Shout out to Housty. Talent show later. We've already been speaking about it, trying to hype it up best I can. Short still from higher. A small short, and I still have spot and fucking a lot of things. But it's not like I went heavy on spot. It's just like some older positions. I got filled on a little bit when we were down in like the 62. Dika, let's go. Let's go. How are you doing, brother? Yeah, I've been doing like swing trading a lot more. I've been so busy. It's hard. It's hard for these inner days. If I'm like sitting at it, staring at it, analyzing or something, trying to do a little thing where I know I'm going to be parked at the computer, parked at the screens for the whole day, then I definitely am taking stuff. But otherwise it's like high time frame, like fills and stuff. Yeah, just like playing the goalposts. Yeah, I miss it though, man, like, cause I loved scalping. It's just you have to be locked in. Let's go, Gorgado. Are you in anything? How you doing, Dika? Shout outs to you. Dika Flex. Man, you gotta change your name, brother. Big Flex, let's go. Buzzcree, Shawarma, Gaida. Let's go, Vladimir. Let's go, Skimoha. Yeah. MJ, exclamation Latuche, to the balcony. Exactly. You miss your divs, you miss your triggers. It's a lot more difficult. You just got to go higher time frame, lower leverage, and you know, just let it like add up that way. If you got obligations or you have a whole lot of other plates spinning, I mean, what would you rather do? Like higher time frame trade or not trade it at all? It's like, dude, this is a big part of a lot of our lives, and you're just like, some people need the break though. Some people need the break, but yeah, I don't know about that for myself. Yeah, I love this shit, dude. I love seeing the math play out. It's really cool to see or to experience the same feeling that Kimba was expressing even from the beginning. Is like, dude, I just love this shit for the sheer math of it. And it's not even as much the math, it's just like the analysis, the planning, and then executing. It's just like a blueprint for just logic. I really enjoy it. And it might look that this is busy, but dude, I'll tell you something about everything that's going on here, if it's of significance to price action. And pulled our RTH VWAP up off the open. That's cool. Sick. Did you take any profits? It's not impressive at all. I mean, yeah, it's been ranging for over a month. Even if it's a really large range, you play the sidelines and point of control, and we are sitting right at the range point of control. Let me see if I got like a clean layout. I do somewhere. This one might be clean. Let me say that real fast. bet that this one is pretty clean. I can go to some of the alts. Yeah, it's already in 4 hour. It's a big range. I've been here since the beginning of February. 2 months now. 2 months. It's gotta be testnet. That's not looking great. It's all right. If you look at it in the weekly, and that, like, they saved the weekly candle. They saved the weekly candle. Is that looking like it's... That was a good low right there. That's not looking as much like a bottom to me. We still are continuing to hold the level though. And 65.7 area, 65.5, still pretty structurally important. Don't you think? Yeah, and that was basically your high time frame inefficiency right there. Clean it. Oh my god, what the fuck? Weekly itchy. Sick. Can you share that in the Discord? We can't have that in here. And not that it's like anything suspicious or anything. We just don't can't share links in the chat. Can you share that in the Discord, please? It gets worse. Yeah. Farming funding, nice. Yeah, fill the above gap. I see you. All right, what else was I was like looking at? I was gonna do a few alts. So let's get to the daily structure at least. I mean, I think that it got the weekly close above 2100, didn't it? Or no? Did it get it? Where's our open? 2109. Yeah, except for the freaking the level is 2116. 2116 all the way up to like 2170. Yeah, that's the box for this area pretty much. That's levels that we put on here over last summer. No cap. Right below that. Crazy. That's super historical levels. All right. Daily. I don't like this low right here. So that's kind of like the 65 area on Biddy. Right at 2K. These lows are no good either. Actually, this one is probably like the 67. And this is like the 65. And this is the 63. Yeah, you see that? That's value. For way back. Midpoint control right there. Look at that. Pixel on that. You want to see that? Pin it. Oh my god, come on. That's pretty cool. Where's value area high? Not one close except for this nuke day. Pretty cool. I'm gonna get rid of that. Check Soul. Yeah, I'm that's the next one down. I'm making my way down to dot. ETH BTC still on the channel. It's not even worth like looking at it more than that. Yeah, Sol's looking heavy. That failed auction up here. That's the high time frame. Wait, that's only VWAP from yearly open pretty much. The rejection that we had at what? 92 maybe? January 13th. 14. Oh yeah, that was the 98K rejection. That pulled everything up, and alts were stronger, at least up until last week. You don't have Discord? Only Trading View? I see you. Weekly itchy.
No stress, just runs, no stops, home runs, market move, I don't jump, I just breathe and get it done.
2021 bottom? 2022 bottom? On Coinbase or on Binance? Yeah, we're in value area. Point control is way down at the bottom. On Coinbase, spot. Yeah, I already had that on there. Just didn't extend it further. Yeah. Yeah, we've done a lot of that. We pulled profiles from like here. So that's your 23 bottom, or like the breakout right when we got the ETF approval and date. We're sitting at that. Jesus Christ, I gotta get the fuck off of here. Maybe this layout. Oh. This will be better. Yeah, so from ETF launch, we had, January 10th. We'll just do there. We're at the point of control. Yeah, that's 23. Wait, 20, is that 23? 24. From the 23 yearly open. There's a lot of accumulation going on down there. And then from the real bottom. Oh, wait, that's not quite. It was the Tuesday. I think. Come on. Jesus Christ. No, it wasn't. Who gives a shit? I'm just gonna go here. It doesn't gonna fucking change it that much. Yeah, that's not any relevance. Okay, from how about from the dump, the wipeout in August, the Israel dump, and the buyback. That's pretty clean. Outside of value, retest. Ugh. I like the one from like the 23 open, or like the sell-off for the ETF. The 24 bottom right here, that's an interesting one, and then pulling a VWAP off of it too. That's crazy, isn't it? Yeah, that's interesting. That like makes this, it's probably the best picture if we're gonna have a pullback. What happened to the owner of this channel? He's still here. He streams Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and is active in the Discord like crazy. Exclamation Discord, Kimba's Den, and shout out to the Wise Lions. Yeah, dude, he is on a trip around the moon. Yeah, he juicing. He's got a lot of things cooking. Yeah, how about that? They finally got to the back of it. It only took them 3 days to get there last time, but it took them 6 days this time. Put the add that one up. The math ain't mathin'. Yeah, Skip Moha wants to see Solano. That's looking heavy. So cleaning this will be the first level of interest. And it's daily, but we've been talking about that 75 for a while. Higher time frame, if Bitcoin like pushes lower than the 65, like we start getting closes and starting pushing down towards the lower end of the range, 62, 60, I think that you're gonna see like Solana in the 50s, that wick is gonna get cleaned up. Yeah, that's an interesting value area through here, maybe 55 or 50. Higher time frame. You know, form plans for the upside and the downside. Upside like 115 to 120. Downside all the way down to like high 20s. Yeah, I'm not gonna like spend too much more time than that because we still got to see DOT. I mean, this is not really looking like a bottom yet. We need to round off some more. That just looks like a selling. That is just absolutely hideous, and that's a fucking daily chart. That's just, that's horrid. Yeah, boy. We talked about that. Yeah, I'm not like, so let's get a fib on here real fast just for fun. Yeah, we're already like, yeah. I'm not even gonna bother with like volume or anything. I think that this low, it's about to clean it. Golly, that's fucking ugly. All right, let's get back to Biddy. We need to see some like real shit because this is like going down. Maybe if it tucks back in that low right there, so you can draw it. But we talked about this possibility. We knew that those were bad lows. Reject from VWAP, got that single print, and we've been planning for something down here. Previous day VWAP, naked point of control, previous week VWAP all together, and then down below this, we said all the way down to like the high 66s if this low is not going to be part of the picture. Yeah, and I didn't pull a fib, but it is part of the picture as well. Oh, I did. Wasn't it the Kimba box? I can't remember which one I pulled it on. Yeah. Yeah, 7.5. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so you got structure, you got naked point of control, previous VWAPs, all for that 7.5, 7.86. Yeah, we kind of front ran the golden pocket, but it can totally reverse. We're still within the initial balance of traditional markets. It's not looking that great right now, though. Especially, I mean, we're gonna need some positive news or something to be a catalyst. But single print grab is pretty cool. If it bounces here, you would like it to tuck back in for this monthly VWAP and these lows, and have it as a swing fail. We could have a failed auction. Shout out to Housty. Shout out to Housty. Yeah, we just can't share links in here, brother. Yeah, even if your intentions are of the highest order of magnitude. And that's not my rule. That's like the KTV rules. So I know you said you don't have Discord. If you'd like to check it out, I mean, I think it's worth it. Our Discord is really incredible. Some great traders, some really great nerd outs, and then you can correspond with Kimba as well there. A lot of people share information and thoughts, their own setups and ideas, nerd out on other things, or just hang out and have some fun. Yeah, I'm not the biggest like just hang out type of person, but if I'm going to, it's a really cool place to do it. Yeah, I spent a lot of time in the PSG. Buzz, who juicing? Alper says my guess 60K soon. Nice. Yeah, we'll just go on data. S&P comes back and even approaches those lows again. I think it's going to drag us down quite a bit. Big moves during ETH, yeah. It has been. It's easier to move it during ETH, isn't it? Yeah, a lot of these moves have been during Asia. We had a couple good London moves last week, I think, or over the past 2 weeks, but it seems like right out the open, they've had a lot of them. Or right around then. Right on, boy? And RTH is just bowled into it. Yeah, that might have been a little bit of catch up that was happening. Because S&P kind of pumped the other day before the weekend. And the weekend started on Thursday. Friday was pretty much a holiday. And Biddy didn't pump. So we kind of just like grinded up through the weekend and there you go. Let's go, wrong person. Good morning. I know, Inky. I know. Yeah, but I'm TAing. I'm TAing. Dude, I got my head spinning trying to keep all this things straight. Not really, but. I had to pause for that. I love that part of the song. Sorry, guys. Oh, that was juice. I haven't heard the song in a while. Yeah, we got like 500 songs in the playlist. It's been a minute. Let's go, Curvies. Let's go, wrong person. How we doing? You juicing? Yeah, CoinWise. CoinWise. Easter-wise, 30% off. Dude, I've seen some of the things they're working on. It is so juice. It's going to blow you guys' minds. Yeah. As Kachoy comes on. We'll skip that one. We will be listening to it. Yeah, there's your 3-day weekend song right here. Spot has more impact. Boy. And it doesn't take much. You'll see this a lot. That Spot will like initiate the move, and it'll like either be just enough spot market orders to push it over the edge of support or resistance, and then all the spot activity stops. So they're using it as an instrument. That's not a new thing. It's been for a long time that they do that, but the market moves easier during ETH or just outside of even any futures hours in the first place. But then spot, like, you can run highs or lows. So it's like 4 o'clock on Sunday, and this is spot CBD. Not until we get here, which is right at resistance. You got one little, wait, that little push right here didn't even, it wasn't even really that much. This little move through this, let's see where that lines up. Yeah, they basically stopped buying right up here, and then that's when they flipped to selling. They're taking profits once they realize that we like hit 70. And pretty much right before market open, it flipped around. Or right after market open. It's pretty common though. Alper, I think that is just a gimmick. Yeah, with the songs, yeah. Yeah, and got another little push right here again, and this was during London. Little push up. That was like right off of the open of London. You used to get moves like that right off the open for London all the time. But it's wiping out sessions. So London wipes out or stops out Asia on both ends. And then New York stops out London. And they're going with the order flow. They're going with the trend. Trending down. Open interest isn't really giving us a whole lot of edge, but there is a lot still here. A lot of shorts are still in, which is really interesting. Didn't even stop that much out when we came up here. And those longs that initiated this pump, they're looking pretty decent. You got a short from 70,000. Nice. Let's go, Aurum. I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to do that and trying to do this. Yeah, down here is what we were talking about. We did get that single print though, but something like that was the 75786. You have previous week VWAP, previous day VWAP, naked pointing control, and this is the 75786. That's a whole lot of area interest. It front running could do it. It's a single print. It's at imbalance from here. you know, we could pull up footprint, but our order flow is going to be next time, and I'd like to have like some real things that I can share rather than TradingView, because TradingView sucks for footprint. Yeah, I'd like to get it all set up for you guys. I'm like trying to like think about how I want to share it the cleanest way. It's already hella fucking busy. That area we were kind of interested in. That doesn't mean it's like a blind long area, but somewhere that might elicit a reaction. Shaven, Fibu, I see you. It's not a bad area. Yeah, we also have volume value area high right around here. We pulled volume profile on this. And I think I deleted it right away. It was like here. Yeah, pull it down to that. That's not that big of a box. That's what he said. It's only $300. Not even. Yeah, but you see, it's tucking back in. So who cares about this? We got the single print. If we tuck back in, it's looking better. You still need to get another candle close up there, though. Still need another candle close. Let's see what TRADFI is doing. Oh, there's that low. Look at that. Juice, 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 juice. Bugatti. Yeah, I see you, Fibu. Inky, I do remember trading late. I still had an account until like 3 weeks ago or whenever they stopped fucking even supporting the limited functions that they had. Are they gonna come back? Dude, I love the interface on them. It was the easiest way to like zoom in and zoom out. You could do it like so smoothly. And there's other platforms that offer similar data, but just whatever they did over there, it was the smoothest. I loved trading light. Yeah, they're still not back. Yeah, it was like the whole power outage last year, and then ever since then it was like, yeah, I think it hurt them pretty bad. There's a power outage last year in Europe. It was like multinational. Yeah, that's all right though. We got CoinWise tools right here, and there are quite a few other options for heat maps. They just don't run quite as smoothly. Each tool is unique in its own way. It was just like, that was a good one. Yeah. Site is down a bit for maintenance right now. We'll be back soon and the sun will shine again. What about my fucking subscription? Yeah, that's probably a good idea, Inky. Let's go, XLRD. Brawl, we're preparing for a potential leg down. We're waiting to see what happens with this little local clean. We grabbed that single print, and it's looking to reclaim the range. However, we gotta dip the tip. We got Gex flip right here though, and anytime we're trading above Gex flip, you know, conditions are less bearish, to say the least. So all these things might be like working against Bitcoin, gapping down, the loss of value, the PDEQ, but spot, grab the single print, bounce at a key level. That's what I was going to do when I was in high time frame, but it is range pointing control as well, and bouncing now, and S&P potentially could bounce here. If we reclaim back in like PDEQ area, I think definitely above the wick here, monthly VWAP, it's looking better for these shit highs to get cleaned up. Until then, all of this is going to be resistance. And that will translate over, or has a higher probability of translating over to Bitcoin and other markets. So it could be the whole gap, could be even lower. We talked about this one also, the 65s. It's a big day. Maybe we get a later session push. Yeah, I might not even make it until 11 today. That's not me. Trading Light's not mine. They should have had multiple, but they had a lot of data. It was a pretty complex tool. Pretty complex tool. Let's go looking for you. Let's go No Diabito. Shout outs to YouTube, Lions. Can I do a nerd out on initial balance? Yeah. Until then, I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, but until then, I have a video on it on YouTube. I'm not trying to like promote my channel. I don't get anything out of it. I made those videos for the Lions a long time ago, but some initial balance strategies. Pretty much, if you have a large initial balance, so we have an established value for this session, and especially with RTH or traditional markets, you have, like, you're opening far away from previous day levels. Almost every single day is going to be like an 80% rotation. If you open the chart, all of these are marked by the indicator because we open outside of previous day value. It's very unusual for us to actually open back within the same day's range. It's not like a rarity, but it doesn't happen as frequently as opening outside. You see this a different color. And the only reason I'm saying this is, yeah, that's why you have different colors on these value areas. If it's got purple in the background, then it's a rotational play that we open outside of value. Now, that means that if we open outside of value every single day, we need some way to determine in the lower time frames early session value. Initial balance is a way to do it. You got your high and your low in the first hour of the session until we really generate some volume data, and VWAP is not really that much edge really early in the session. Neither is volume value, because we're just like, people just started putting in orders. So we're just going structurally. And this is a market profile concept. So it's based off a TPO, even though it takes in like structure and some other things. But you got a wide initial balance, it tends to be more range bound within that. If you have a narrow one, we're looking for breaks until we have began to establish more value. And it takes a few hours to get value going on for the current session. If you are looking at it for ETH, then you can pull previous day values. It's a little bit more edge. But if you're purely an RTH trader, then it is more interesting, or more important. And so initial balance, especially when you get like a big move right before the close, like we did the other day on spot, I'll maybe be able to open that one up. Yeah, it's not even like registering right now because that was the initial balance of today, which began at 6 p.m. yesterday, New York time. If you completely disregard, and this is 5-minute candles, if you completely disregard the TPO value area, you could do volume. I mean, I'll just draw a profile rather than trying to mess with the indicator. As you progress within the session, volume has a lot more, it should be prioritized higher. You see this rejection from point of control, this holding your value area low and then losing it and potentially rejecting from it once again. And it doesn't matter what the price is. You like disregard everything else on here. Just look at the profile and the action that's occurring. Volume takes precedence over time as more time has passed. When you don't have volume data, then you prioritize time and structure. I mean, structure should always take precedent anyway, but structure and volume are going to be hand in hand in the long run. So if it's like an early session move, you want to look for, let me just open this one up. Oh wait, I had like where is that clean chart that I had open? There we go. Jesus Christ, this fucking thing. I don't even know if I have any indicators on here. Okay. Oh, I know what I can do. I think this is the one. Yeah. Give it a second. And let me get the candles looking different. I don't. Oh my God. At least you can see it a little bit more. I'm gonna make this initial balance white. Ooh wee. Juice, 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 juice. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. So on Sunday, here's your initial balance right here. And it really was just that one candle. We pumped right before the open. We had no value established up here. We were like outside, other than like the previous structure. But if you're just trading in within that one session, we're within this, and there's the 50. It could not even get above the 50 of the initial balance. There's indicators that have this that are like, it'll split up the range and everything, but some people will put like a mid on their box. But that is over right here. Big move before, try to establish value in this range after. But it's mostly like the first few hours of the session. Yeah, you look for breaks and reclaims, or breaks and retests in one direction or another. Yeah, it's just a different way to look at volume profiles early in a session before volume is like super significant, especially if you don't have like the previous session information available. Kagam, you good with that? That was a whole hella nerd out. Like, watch my video. Okay, here's the explanation. I'm not trying to like generate traffic. It is like I don't have anything tied to that YouTube channel. It was made for the Lions to help out from my nerd outs and seeing like talking with the community a lot. I just like made a couple videos. I'll let nerd out though. So let's go, Mark Leap of Faith. Juice. Let's go, Curvies. Let's go, don't be late. Been a while. How you doing, brother? Shout out to PSG. Flashcraft. Yeah, don't be late. DBL. We've been nerding out in PSG a long time. Yeah, look at that ninja. He's been in here for a minute. Let's go, Arctic. Let's go, Xenon. That's kind of cool to have that hit him with the D wrapping up our nerd out. Yeah, get this on at least 15 minutes. That's what I want to see. Yeah, and this is an ETH candle, so at least there, but that is confluence with all of those spot and perps levels right off of this futures open pump from Sunday. Yep, I feel you. Locked in. Great to hear. Great to hear. Yeah, glad to see you again. Great to see you. Believe me, I know. I don't know if I've talked to you that much in the past, like, little bit, but dude, I got a lot of life lifing. For real, for real. Yeah, big cheers, brother. You're a warrior. You're a samurai. We're gonna fucking juice up. Because that's what we're trying to do here. Everybody's trying to juice up. Everybody's trying to juice up. Some of us realize that hard work is the key. We can enjoy ourselves in the journey though. Hey, shout outs to CoinWise. Shout outs to BTCC. I think that what is a BitUniX is coming up soon. Did we do any yet? And then KCEX still has a big depot bonus, and I think that there's a. I gotta check this. I gotta check my math. Do we have a space trade? Yeah. So Fred, space trade. We were talking about like swing trading. That doesn't like really up your. Oh, juice! Let's go, Coke Zero. Yeah. Good morning. How you doing, brother? Hope you had a good Easter. Good weekend. And Coke Zero came on like perfectly for such a great song. Dude, did you know? Are you DJing this? Shout out to Coke Zero. I love this song. Let's go! Let's go, Rest. Let's go, Curvies. Big shout outs to Coke Zero. And shout outs to Don't Be Late. I don't even remember what I was doing at this point. Shit. Need some more coffee. Hey, big cheers, Bulldex. Shouts to you. How you doing? Thank you. Thanks, brother. But in fact, I am Mandalo. I'm just one of the other streamers on here. Hey, we're gonna have some different streamers on this afternoon. Exclamation dashboard. Right around 2 p.m. New York time. I don't even know what that is in UTC. It's like I'm all fucked up off of this time change. It's been like a month already, but yeah, the stream schedule. Oh yeah, okay. Big cheers, Bulldex. How we doing, Bulldex? Sorry. Yeah. Let's get that juicy shout out. Let's go. I'm like completely losing my focus here. Yo, lock in. Treat this like it's real life. But it's a simulation anyway, so like, what are you gonna do? DVL, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, we got the dashboard. We got the talent show coming up later today. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, let's go, Barentina. I love you here in Mandalo mornings. Let's go, Bulldex. Shouts to you, brother. Big cheers. Thank you for the resub. Be juicing. Dude, you're 2 months away from maybe a Viking badge? Let's get it. Let's get it. You got in on that 3 drives? Let's go, Coke Zero. Yo. Yeah, we were talking about that. It's like, I mean, it pretty much was a 3 drive. It definitely looked more 3 drivey on the CME, I think. But, yeah. Especially it playing out during ETH. I mean, well, at least setting up during ETH. New York's not having that. We got some data coming out soon, too. Yeah, 2 p.m. New York time. LIQUIDITY's got talent. You guys like the new time? I think it's pretty juice. Yeah, because they hang out a little bit longer anyways. Usually. Oh, wrong person. Oh, man. Sorry to hear it, brother. Yeah, 125. I kind of want to play my my 7.5 song. It has been so long since I played it. It's like an old school like remix of the previous Mandalo song. Let's go, Toddler. Let's go. Long time. How you doing? Wrong person. I hope you feel better, brother. Cachoya. Yeah, keep hydrated. Take it from me, I'm actually a doctor. Let's go, Crispy. Let's go, wrong person. I really hope you feel better. Hey, great to see you, Toddler. Hope all is well. What are NFTs doing? How am I? Where's my NFTs? Kimba, where's my NFTs? I think we need the markets to juice. Dude, the first time I ever saw someone charting NFTs, I was like, what in the world is going on? I know Toddler is charting them. where's my NFT? I think it's in July. S&P, help me. For God's sakes. Coke Zero's like, help me TP my short. You got it. You got it, Housty. All right. So just be aware that there are malicious messages going around. Don't connect your wallet to anything other than like something that you may have already done with the dashboard. Yeah, there's a notice about it in the Discord as well, but there's like some scammers that are going around. This isn't a new thing in crypto, but it's like we just want to raise awareness that the mods team is not going to DM you guys out of the blue directly for anything, and just be like head on a swivel about anything. But we're trying to, well, not me, but the mod team is working on removing messages and stopping the attack or the attackers. Just, you know, keep an eye out. You know, these goddamn bots. Yeah, there's always scammers. It's fucking the Wild West, isn't it? You know who we are. You know who the OGs are. Yeah, be very careful clicking links in Discord. Shout out to Housty. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. I'm kind of like in my own zone sometimes, and I hadn't seen the. I saw it maybe yesterday or the day before that there was a notice about it that you guys posted. Hey, Inky, but if I message you, you'll know that you'll know it's me. But I'll probably just wait to see you in PSG, and then like I'll like DM you or something. Let's go, Inky. Yeah, the link's in Discord. Yeah. Read them too. Read them too, and read the usernames. It held up pretty well. Barentina, I need to chart that. Dude, I'm not selling my thing. That's my retirement plan. It's the future of finance. Shout outs to Lines of Liquidity. It gets us juicy access to the Wise Lions channel. Dude, they got... Oh my goodness. Coke Zero's got doppelgangers? Let's go. That's how you know you made it. That's shit. Oh, man. Yeah, Lines of Liquidity. Let's go. They have a chart there? What, on Magic Eden? Or on the Lines of Liquidity webpage? Holy shit. Curvies, I've gotten a message from Mandalo before. Let's go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Gotcha ya. Yeah, just click on that NFT. Exclamation NFT. Hey, shout out to Barentina. No offense, dude. We were just like went through this thing. Thank you for sharing that, brother. Does it go to it? They got a chart here. I'm not gonna log in. Okay, we're gonna chart NFTs. Nerd out. This is my wheelhouse. Hey Toddler, this is for you, brother. You know that charting NFTs is like my bread and butter. It is such a like niche derivative, like synthetic market, as far as like trying to have correlation with anything. But it doesn't mean that it doesn't work. Okay, let me find where the chart is, and then I'll share it on the stream and chart it. Wait, Does anybody want to see me chart an NFT? Before I just fucking do it. Damn. Maybe. Yeah, let's go, Curvies. I'm not trying to fucking like go crazy with this. Oh man. Are we in the... Is that minutes or months? Chart the Lions of Liquania. Okay. Hey, shout outs to the Lions holders. Let's see this. We're gonna chart it in Soul. Okay. Let's go, Lions of Liquania. Floor price 0.7 Soul. I think I minted mine. Shout outs to the mint. The Lions that minted it. One day. We had a little pullback, but everybody was like, buy the fucking dip. Yeah, it's holding strong at 0.65. Let's go into the weekly. Yeah, I had a good week back then. Wait, what? How is... What is going on? This chart is not charting. Is that supposed to be a weekly? Wait a second. You don't even see the whole thing. Holy shit, this chart is not charting. What's going on here? There we go. That looks better. You can see it at least. Yeah, I have it. I like clicked on... Oh, wait. Am I clicking on the wrong thing here? Oh, look at that. Can we make this big? Fuck no, we can't. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. What in the hell? Hey, at least... Oh, it's in 10 minutes and that was like registering as a week? Look at that. That looks a lot better. If you're charting on Magic Eden, you better freaking look at the trading view shit. Look at that. That's pretty nice. Juice! Yeah, it's holding a higher low. Let's see weekly. Oh, hell no. What's wrong with y'all? That's a bad high. You guys are selling that? Yeah, but look at that wick. Oh. Swing fail. Clean those bad lows. I wonder if I can... Yeah. Oh, got him. Oh, bad highs above. Oh, sorry, y'all. Thanks for playing. I don't know, dude. We need to get back inside here. But holding this consolidation, this is a daily chart. Yeah. First area of interest. Wait, I gotta get my my drawing tools. Yeah, we want to get back above here. You can see that I've never charted on Magic Eden in many moons. Yeah, get back above that. We'll be looking a lot better. Let's go, Lions. I didn't pay out the prediction. Okay. All right, let's get off of this fucking NFT thing. Hey, shout out to the Lions of the Queenia holders. It is looking juicy. We're holding these lows. Now, we're gonna forget about the fact that Soul is worth like 50 cents. And just say at 0.65 Soul, let's fucking go. Oh, whoops, that's the wrong one. There we go. Hey, did anybody enjoy that just for the lulz? We're gonna be wrapping this up. Oh, Sato's shorted the bottom on lines of Queenia. Fuck me. Well, that'll be a good who juicing. Hodl. Curvies, are you hodling? We're all hodling. Let's go, El Boris. Hey, it gives you access to the whole Wise Lions too. That's really juicy. And it's pretty damn cheap considering. Yeah, I got a handful of lions. And I'm steady accumulating. Prediction points. Jeez, I'm fucking retarded. Let's see, 5 minutes. Whole lot of damn juice. Dude, the song was perfect for that. You know how sarcastic I am too? So it's like, we're charting NFTs and we have a whole lot of juice coming on. The irony is fucking hilarious. Let's go, Tricks. Yeah, dude. Yeah, for real, JV. Hey, shout out JV. We are gonna wind it down, brothers. I gotta pay out those prediction points. Where's the market open? I think it was red. 1330. Yeah, it was red. Yep, we have our targets to the downside. We have our targets to the upside. We talked about this. If you did not see, exclamation rewind, exclamation YouTube, it is all planned for. We talked about this potential. We talked about a little bit lower. We talked about any reaction that we would like to see down in the mid 66s. We also discussed if it were to pull back more aggressively. We also talked about the highs. We have plans on plans on plans. Math on math on math, data on data on data. Thank you all for joining me today. There is going to be a Liquidity Got Talent show coming up in a little while. Shout outs Housty, shout outs Cage, Buzz, shout outs to the competitors. You were the 7th holder? Let's go. This is spot right here. Oh wait, this is spot. This is Coinbase spot. And this is a correlation that we look at, and many of the community are trading this also. For ES or S&P, NAS, which we haven't been charting that much, but it's doing it has similar price action. S&P and the ES is the big volume. That's why we kind of watch that one a little bit more intently than NAS. And then this is Bitcoin CME futures, which is the let's just say it's like the flagship as far as institutional participation in Bitcoin. Yep, so that's where we watch that. And we're looking at ETH and RTH. We are trading within a gap. And, you know, just welcome and, you know, start taking notes, brother or sister. Start taking notes. Yeah, and join the Discord, exclamation Discord. There's really some awesome resources that people share. There is a ton of great traders sharing their thoughts and setups. Of course, there's Kimba's Den, where he shares many setups. And then exclamation Coinwise has quite a few things, even if it's just on the you're testing things out. You get a 14-day free trial, and then they have a 30% sale going on right now. Yeah, but stick around, welcome. Everybody give Trix a great welcome. Thank you all for joining today. That is the first time that I charted on stream, Toddler, I think. How did I do? How did I do? I'm like purely trading, like doing crypto charting on it. For like trying to throw it in there. Thanks, brother. Yeah, I mean, I'm like, took it. I sound like I was joking about it, but I was taking the analysis, like as far as market structure, seriously. Thanks, bud. Thank you. Hey, shout out to you, Toddler. Much love. Skip Moha. Thanks, Fibu. Fibubo. Abolito. Acentus. Big cheers. We need to know who's the market maker. I know. Which? The Lions are market makers. Shit. Oh, dude, I'm sure you can. CZ. CZ was doing steady. Oh, I was finna get off, but Maestro. Shoutouts to Maestro. Hey. Big cheers. He juicing. Hey, exclamation enter. You have 3 minutes to participate. Maestro gifted out a CoinWise basic subscription. That gives you access to CoinWise indicators, CoinWise levels. Let me show you these daggone levels. CoinWise trading journal. Quite a few of the videos too. And before you know it, there is a lot more juice coming from them. Oh man, I've seen like the very, it's not high time frame plans. It's just like mid time frame, maybe low time frame. Let's get it! Exclamation enter. There's our crazy thing. I'm talking about lines of Liquidity. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. CoinWise levels, daily levels. Mark them on your chart. Let's go. Hey, shout out to Maestro. He juicing. That's amazing. Thank you for sharing that with the fellow Lions. 2 minutes to join. Let's go. Bud Fox, let's get it. Let's go, Crypto Jammies. Yeah, it was a fun day, y'all. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 1 minute, 1 minute. Exclamation enter. Hey, big shout outs to Maestro. Let's go. Inky. Crypto Jammies. Syed. Skit Moha. Tigrin. Shoutouts to PSG. Do we have no music going on? Oh, bang it. Yeah, we're not gonna bang the music. I'm signing out. This is it. I never did like crank it up, did I? Hey, congratulations, JPX 269. Let's go. Hey, thank you, Maestro. JPX, huge congratulations and big shout outs to Maestro. Hey, thank you so much. Much love. Big cheers. Much love, Lions. Y'all have a great day. Y'all have a great day. Thank you all for joining. See you guys at the talent show later. Kachoya. Kachoya. We got plans, though. We got plans. Yeah, did we not talk about this 6550 down here? Exclamation Boo Gamma. Exclamation YouTube. Exclamation Dashboard. Let's go. Yeah, make sure you take advantage of that CoinWise sale. That's juice. Shout out to Maestro. Much love to all of you lions. Catch you in the chat at the talent show later, at the Kimba stream tomorrow morning, at Who Juicing tomorrow, and I'll see you on Thursday. Aurum Baldicular. Shout outs to you, brother. TTV, Syed, MJ, JPX, congratulations, that's awesome. Wait, did I pay this out? I was like, oh, it's red, it's red, it's red. Hey, there you go. Jeez, that was a lot of points, actually. Hey, nice going, y'all. Let's go, Ace. Ciao, Kata. Absolutely. Hope you have a nice day too. Afna Gunka. Let's go into Lion. Crispy. Burbeezy! Hey, Burbeezy's been here almost as long as me. Yeah. Hey, Toddler, you too. You too. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Big shout outs to the entire team. Much love. Husty, Cage, Buzz, Cyber, Chauncey, MGK, Tiggy, Coin Nerd. Shout out to Kimba. Shout out to the entire dev team. Shout out to Reddy. Shout out to Gypsy. Bite. Shout out to Toddler. Shout outs Coke Zero. Burgix. Shout outs PSG. Shout outs Don't Be Late. Shout outs Biff. Let's go Biff. Calling Noob. Rajalicious. Shout outs Hayblade. Chab Superstar. Not Super Cereal. JV. Syed. Alright, y'all. Love ya. I'll catch you next time. Thanks for the vibes this morning. Aurum. Crispy. PSG. Let's go. Baru! Il Pasoto. Skip Moha. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, y'all. If you don't use a stop loss, they're gonna slap the shit out ya. Let's go, Crypto Jammies. Alright, big cheers, y'all. Catch ya on the next one. Love ya.
It's Mandalo.
Early morning level without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. CoinWise Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of sunken? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. CoinWise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Looking for the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. CoinWise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. CoinWise family and seminar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.